train, sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on the Boomerang Coaster.
Oh, you can?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to have it.
I'm more worried about dropping it.
You should get a little cord and like keep it around your wrist. Flash it on Vita. Show him the whole roller coaster. Dad, I'm gonna fall out.
Bye, Vita!
Oh my god! Hey, look at Angie Carey. She's recording.
Oh boy.
Here we go, Vita.
What? Vita?
What did you say?
Dear Lord, please help me.
Vita, this isn't even nearly as steep as the other
Oh my
ones.
god.
Oh my!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, Vita!